Broomrape is a parasitic weed that can harm tomato crops in California. It latches onto the roots of tomatoes and other host plants, stealing water and nutrients. And that drain on the plant takes a real toll on productivity. It's also heavily regulated by state law. Fields where it's found can be placed under quarantine to keep it from spreading to neighboring farms. Broomrape has taken hold in California, but it hasn't reached every tomato growing region. And even in affected areas, not every field has been hit. The best protection for tomatoes and other California crops is preventing its spread to new fields. That's where you play a crucial role. Broomrape reproduces by tiny seeds, and these seeds can easily move in soil on farm equipment and vehicles. When equipment and workers move between fields, these seeds can hitchhike to new locations. Your equipment cleaning procedures are the best defense against spreading this destructive plant. Focus on areas that collect soil, especially tires, frames, blades, or knives. First, physically remove all soil and plant debris. This is difficult, but the most important step. After physical cleaning, spray equipment with approved sanitizer products, QACs. Pay special attention when moving equipment to new locations and from known infested sites. Your attention to equipment cleaning protects your job and livelihood, the farm's productivity, and California's tomato industry. Remember, clean equipment equals protected fields. Thank you for doing your part.